We will discuss the memory management of 8086. 8086 use segmentation and it has no virtual memory support. There are 4 segment registers. That means at a time an 8086 program can have maximum 4 segments. 64 KB, that is the maximum size of a segment. We know 8086 has 20 address lines. It can support maximum of 1 MB memory. So here in this picture, the CS register, the code segment register, points to the segment starts at the location BB230. That is, BB230 is the starting address of the code segment. DS points a segment starting at 99B20. SS, that is tag segment register, it points to a segment starting at 7B320, and extra segment register, it points to a segment starting at 4B080. The maximum size of a segment is 64 KB. 64 KB means 2 raised to 16 bytes. If a segment starts at 00000, a 64 KB block will end at 0FFFF. The next question, how does 8086 manage 20-bit addresses using 16-bit registers? See, 8086 is a 16-bit processor because its registers are of 16 bits. It is impossible to store 20-bit address in a 16-bit register. Then what is done by 8086? The CS register points to a block starting with BB230, and we know the instruction pointer register, a 16-bit register, works in association with CS register. E086 use segmentation, and the 20-bit address is treated as segment and offset. The CS register holds a 16-bit value, that is BB23. Whenever it want to access an instruction from the code segment, it will multiply this value CS content BB23 with 16 decimal, you will be getting BB230, and this IP register, instruction pointer register, will be holding the offsets. We have seen offsets are the displacement from the starting address. The offset of the first byte is 0. So your IP register will be holding the value 16-bit value 000. If you want to access the next byte, IP register will be holding the value 0001, and the IP register content will be added to this 0001. You will be getting an address BB231 at 20-bit value, which is a physical address of a memory location. So this address is represented as a segment offset value BB23, the content of CS register, and 0001, the offset that is stored in IP register. A segment always starts at a memory location where the lowest nibble is 0.